Window repair near River Ridge, LA is the fastest way to restore safety, comfort, and curb appeal when glass cracks, seals fail, or frames shift. Broken window repair, window glass replacement. River Ridge, LA, and replacement window frames can help prevent drafts, moisture intrusion, and higher energy bills across River Ridge, Louisiana, and nearby Jefferson Parish communities. Whether the issue is a single sash, a damaged pane, or worn window ceiling, experienced window contractors can assess the problem and recommend the right repair or upgrade for residential windows and commercial properties. Energy-efficient window replacement. River Ridge, LA is a smart investment for homeowners who want better insulation, lower utility costs, and year-round indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows all help reduce heat transfer, limit outside noise, and improve performance in Louisiana's humid climate. Many River Ridge, LA residents choose vinyl windows for durability and low maintenance, while others prefer custom windows or window upgrades designed to match the style of their home and improve long-term value. River Ridge, Louisiana window installation should begin with precise window measurement and a clear plan for the best fit and finish. Professional window installation contractors in River Ridge, Louisiana handle everything from new construction windows to replacement windows. River Ridge, LA, making sure every opening is measured correctly and sealed properly. Accurate installation is essential for window insulation, smooth operation, and long-term protection against air leaks, water intrusion, and structural damage in homes and businesses throughout River Ridge and Jefferson Parish. Residential window replacement. River Ridge, LA gives homeowners the opportunity to improve appearance, comfort, and efficiency at the same time. Home window replacement. River Ridge, LA can include sliding windows, casement windows, bay windows, picture windows, and awning windows depending on the layout and design goals of the property. River Ridge, LA residential windows can also be customized with upgraded glass packages, better window sealing, and stronger frames for a more attractive and functional result. Commercial window replacement. River Ridge, LA is essential for storefronts, offices, rental properties, and other business spaces that need reliable performance and professional presentation. Commercial window replacement can include impact-resistant windows, energy-efficient glass, and custom replacement windows. River Ridge, LA designed to withstand heavy use while supporting a polished exterior. Local businesses in River Ridge, Louisiana often look for licensed window installers. River Ridge, LA who can complete projects efficiently and provide dependable results for long-term use. Vinyl windows remain one of the most popular choices for River Ridge, LA vinyl window installers because they are affordable, durable, and easy to maintain. Vinyl window frames resist moisture, warping, and rot, which makes them ideal for the local climate and for homeowners looking for affordable window replacement. River Ridge, LA. With a wide range of styles including double-pane window replacement. River Ridge, LA and triple-pane windows. River Ridge, Louisiana. Vinyl windows offer strong performance without sacrificing style or energy efficiency. Impact-resistant windows are a valuable upgrade for River Ridge, LA homes and commercial buildings that want additional protection from storms, debris, and break-ins. River Ridge, LA impact windows combine strength, insulation, and security, making them a smart choice for properties seeking better resilience during severe weather. Along with window insulation and window sealing, these upgrades can help reduce storm-related damage while improving comfort and boosting property value throughout nearby. Window replacement in River Ridge and surrounding areas. Custom windows and custom replacement windows. River Ridge, LA are ideal for homeowners who want a tailored fit for unique openings, architectural details, or special design preferences. River Ridge, LA custom window installation can include specialty shapes, larger picture windows, elegant bay windows, or modern sliding windows that enhance both interior light and exterior appeal. Louisiana window replacement experts often recommend custom solutions when standard sizes do not provide the best energy performance, visual balance, or structural fit for a home or business. Window replacement services in River Ridge, LA should always include a full assessment of the glass, frame, seal, and insulation to ensure the best long-term solution. From window glass replacement. River Ridge, LA to replacement window frames and complete window replacement, The right service plan depends on the condition of the existing unit and the homeowner's goals. Local window contractors River Ridge LA can also advise on whether repair, partial replacement, or full installation will provide the best value for the property. Best Window Replacement Company in River Ridge, Louisiana providers focus on quality workmanship, reliable materials, and accurate installation from start to finish. River Ridge LA window replacement projects often include window upgrades such as energy-efficient windows, triple-pane windows, double-pane windows, and new construction windows for homes under renovation or expansion. For nearby window replacement in River Ridge, property owners often choose licensed window installers River Ridge LA who understand local building needs, offer strong product options, and deliver professional results for residential and commercial window installation River Ridge LA.